name is Karishma Agrawal, and I am an electrical engineering major at Wayne State University. Currently, I am enrolled in ECE 3620, which is Introduction to Microcomputers, Section 6, with Professor Hassoun. This is the semester winter 2018. So for my final project, or final bonus project, I decided to make a counter. So what this does is it uses this potentiometer right here to set the threshold, or the value to count to, and it displays it on these LEDs through the ADD converter capabilities. Then I use input capture by pressing this button right here, and what that does is it interrupts, and every time it interrupts, it increments 1, 2, 3, 4. So when that value here matches the value that was originally chosen by the threshold, then the count will match, and the buzzer will go off by using output compare. Then my program will be over. So let's see a quick demonstration. So right now I'm going to set the potentiometer to something small. Let's say 4 or 3. Okay. So when I choose that button, then it doesn't matter how much I change it, it will only count threshold to 3 until I reset. So now I press this input capture interrupt, and it shows 1. When I press this, it means the count had been received. Then again for 2, and it was received. Now for 3, when it's received, that number matches, and so the buzzer goes off using output compare. Now I will reset. Okay, so some brief things about my code that should be mentioned. Well, my first page is honestly mostly initializations with the ADD converter, as well as configuring all the interrupts to actually take place, such as clearing interrupts, setting mask bits, clearing flag bits, stuff like that. The other large part of my program is on these 2 pages, where it increments the count on the 7-second display, as well as time multiplexing. Also, some of the interrupts service routines take place in this middle part of my code. Again, this is probably the biggest part of my code. The last page is just for the 7-segment code that you need to display it on the 7-segment displays. So that is my code. So through this class, I have learned very useful things such as how to use stacks, subroutines, interrupts. This THR sim is very helpful, and everything else I've learned on this board, I think I have gained a pretty good knowledge in.